Hello little artists! Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. Today we are going to draw a colorful drawing. Let's draw together. Welcome to Kids Drawing Hub. At first we took a black marker. Then we draw some parallel line and draw a square. We draw the roof. Here we draw the wall of the house. Here we draw the door of the house. Here we draw the window of the house. Red color. Red color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color. Purple color. Blue color. Blue color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.